I'm Eric Worthman, the president of ComfortTemp Heating and Air. We have some pretty good offerings from Lennox, Trane, York, and Carrier. Lennox has done a lot of R&D on the highest end, the highest SEER rating than any other company, any other manufacturer. Lennox takes it to another level. It's good stuff. If you're buying that equipment, you're getting the best.
Ricky Boyd Jr., I'm the service manager here at ComfortTemp. On my side, being able to see the issues that are out there, I understand, well, this company has an issue with their motors burning up, or this company has an issue with refrigeration leaks. With Lennox and Trane, we don't see that too often. You're never going to have a unit that will never go down. Eventually, something's going to break. And with those two, they're very good about getting us the parts within a day or two.
If you want a customer experience where you are put first, call ComfortTemp Heating and Air.